Hi there, my name is Dave Lorenzo and I'm the host and author of a website known as RainmakerLawyer.com, and this may very well be one of the most important videos you've ever watched. I'll tell you why. Today we're going to talk about confidence and why it leads to the success that some attorneys have over others. And it's really true of any profession in life, but it's particularly true of attorneys. Now, have you ever wondered why some people have success everywhere they go? No matter what firm they work at or whether they're out on their own, no matter who they take on as a client, they always seem to command higher fees. They always seem to make every marketing tactic or strategy work effectively. Have you ever wondered what makes these people different? Have you ever gone into a meeting with someone and just felt like that person owned the room? Have you ever been somewhere where the person you were working with had a clear command of everything that was going on at any given time? And have you ever wondered why one lawyer, solo practitioner with maybe a paralegal and a receptionist can make over $1 million a year, and I have clients who do that, while most lawyers struggle to make more than $100,000 a year? There's only one difference between these folks. It's not education, it's not experience, it's not that people have paid a certain amount of dues. It is, pure and simple, confidence. It's the confidence to ask for higher fees. It's the confidence to walk away from terrible clients. It's the confidence to go out and look for and seize better opportunities. This is the one key to success that probably is missing from you and your law firm right now. So right now we're going to talk about 4 ways you can bring this type of confidence to your law firm. 4 ways that you can have this kind of confidence in every client meeting. 4 ways that every speech you ever give can be one of the best speeches you've ever given, and you can walk away with half dozen to a dozen leads from those speeches that will convert into clients at high fees. Now, here are the ways you can do it. Before you get to any meeting, before you go give any speech, before you sit down to write any marketing piece, you have to envision yourself being phenomenally successful. That's right. You have to actually see yourself walking out of that meeting with a check greater than any check any client's ever written for a retainer. You have to see yourself owning that success. If you can't see it, you can't be it. That's a true rule of nature. You have to see yourself being successful. The next thing you need to do is you need to practice in front of a mirror or with your family and friends. You need to practice quoting those higher fees. Practice quoting a fee that's 10 times higher than any fee you've ever quoted before. And make sure you can do it with a straight face. Make sure you can do it without flinching. My consulting rates right now are $10,000 a day. They're $10,000 a day for me to come in and look at your law practice and help you create a plan in order to make you successful. And that's just at the time of this recording. If you watch this recording a year from now, they're probably going to be even more than that. Why can I quote that? Well, because I've earned it and because I know the results of my work. Now here's the thing, this is a really, really important component. This is the third component to having the confidence. You have to think about the ultimate value you're creating when you sit down with a client. What's the value to that end user? If you're an adoption attorney, what's the value of bringing a child to a family that doesn't have one? If you're a divorce attorney, what's the value of getting rid of that horrible spouse? If you're a transactional attorney, what's the value of closing this deal? Most of the time, the value is going to far exceed whatever your fee would be. So if the client is going to make $10 million or $20 million on that transaction, is it unreasonable for you to ask for a fee of $10,000 or $20,000? No, absolutely not. Finally, I need you to recognize that you've earned whatever success will come to you. You've earned those higher fees by virtue of the work that you've put in already. You're not going to earn it when you sit down with this client. You've earned it in the past. The client's going to receive the value of your expertise, of your advice. You've already earned it. Now here's what you need to do. You need to go out and go into your next client meeting and command a fee that's higher than any fee you've ever asked for. You have earned it. Give yourself permission. You have my permission to make more money and live a better life. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and you can find more great tips just like these at rainmakerlawyer.com. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.